YouTube. Hi guys, hi YouTube. Welcome to a new episode of Mini Diaries. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. If you're not, thank you for coming back. Today I'm down the unit. I've got down here a little bit late today, and Rick and Deano are already down here taking Dean's engine apart. His clutch has been playing up, so we're going to be fixing that today, and also picking up the engine crane ready to take my engine out. It's all loose, a cough and it'll almost fall out of the front, so pick the engine crane up and maybe the new engine with the gearbox ready to swap them over. I've had a look today, I've got the gaskets, I think it's just a new oil pump and a flywheel oil seal. Should see me to fit the new gearbox on. So not a lot to do, but then not a lot of time until Brooklands, which I've said yes to Alex at the car kitchen to making. So let's get cracking. Let's go and see what Deano and Rick are up to. You can see the back of Deano's head. Another huge mini head. He's down here, he's head down, arse up in the engine. Clutch has been playing up. Found it was on, or the washer on the top hat was missing. Flywheel oil seal, which was leaking as well, so we managed to get the parts here today, which is really good, so we can do a full clutch swap, flywheel seal, and also the transfer gasket as well. So I'm quite pleased that we had them parts. So is Deano too. He ain't got to go running off to the spare shop.
Thanks boys, appreciate it.
That's not what it's about, Dean. But he's got the flywheel puller on there, so let's go and have a look to see what he's up to. Let's get a bit closer, get in the way. Rick's over there as well, he's a bit grumpy today.
You weren't.
Weren't until Deano turned up and said he wanted to do his clutch. What's the matter, Rick? Come on, it's not that bad. We're playing minis. So Deano's still really reluctant in not taking his engine out to change his flywheel oil seal. The housing, the clutch housing plate, proving a little bit difficult to come out. So Deano's taking the other side of the engine off to hopefully give us enough room to move the engine about, get that plate out, change that oil seal and the clutch plate. And Rick's really happy about that. What do you think, Dean? Dean's happy, ain't you, Dean? Look, he's well happy.
I'm always happy, am I?
Got his hands dirty and his head in his mini. And we're off to go and get the engine crane now as well. Looks good like that though, Dan. All the power to the passenger wheel.
Hmm?
All the power to that side.
That side, yeah.
It's time to put it all back together again now as well. Managed to get my engine out, all nice and safe. It's on the floor. Just waiting to get the flywheel off now. Got Rick and Deano still at it. Changed the flywheel oil seal. They've got the housing back in and it's slowly doing back up. Dino's finding some new bolts or some new old bolts and trying to find the ones he's left all around the yard. So it's pretty funny at the minute, but we're still here. It's getting dark out now and we're still trying to get these cars ready. As you can tell, Rick's quite happy. This 2-hour job that he had of playing with Dean's clutch turned into all day, but I think it's a good thing playing minis all day. What do you think, Rick? 2-hour mini job.
I think my beard needs sorting out.
Got to do your hair as well, Dean. What are you doing? Sorry?
Right, they're done.
What's that under your coat?
Hey, it's my belly.
They're done.
Not in the Haynes manual then, no?
Sure it's about 180.
Come on, Rick, spin round for us. Show us what you're using.
Talk rig settings.
When you don't know what to do. When you can't remember. What are you going to do? Just protect your wheelie. So that's it for tonight, guys. I've managed to get my engine up on the bench, got the flywheel off nice and easy. Dino's managed to get some of his engine back in. Feeling a bit more positive, Dean?
Yeah.
Sound it?
100% now.
I think we'll be back down again tomorrow night to come and finish this off, and I've got some cleaning on mine to do. We'll see plenty more of Rick, I'm sure of it. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and be lucky.